I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, Nigeria. And as usual, me come with breaking news. Me get update wey dey my table like this one need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Edo State Commissioner for Information and Communication, that is Mr. Paul, he don come outside dey defend the recent suspension of the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice wey be Dr. SH0CKING and the chairman of the Edo State Local Government Service Commission, that is Mr. Damian Lawani. And Mr. Paul now dey yarn say the suspension wey touch dis men now over alleged financial infractions by the governor of Edo State, that is Senator Monday Okpebholo, say na good thing. It's a welcome development. And for inside one statement wey dey issued over the weekend for inside Benin City, Edo State, Mr. Paul come dey yarn say the action now dey show say the Edo State governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo is a man of integrity and high moral principle. Na man wey no go spare anybody wey him find one thing for inside his government. And no matter the senatorial district where the person come from, the governor go make sure say hand go touch that person if dem commit. The Edo State Commissioner for Information and Communication wey be Mr. Paul, he come still dey yarn say the Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo is in a hurry o. The man wan sharp make Edo State the envy of other states. That is, he wants make other states now dey dread Edo State. He wants make e be say other states dey come dey jealous the things wey dey go on for inside Edo State. And Senator Monday Okpebholo no go tolerate any obstacle in his path in transforming Edo State. He now no go take am lightly to anything wey go stop am, as he don already dey move now to make sure say Edo State become the envy of other states. Anything wey wan serve as blockade, anything wey wan be like say na Delilah in his lifestyle or Goliath, anything wey just be as if na Pharaoh for his path, he go cut am off sharp. He no want me nothing stop am at all. And Mr. Paul come still dey yarn say based on who the Edo State governor be, it is therefore not surprising to political pundits when the governor now come take action against the suspended Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice wey be SH0CKING and the chairman of the Edo State Local Government Service Commission wey be Damian Lawani over alleged financial infractions. He said the decision to suspend them can be applied to everybody, anyone, irrespective of who them be or where they come from. If they commit, they go collect. So these men now, wey say they don't chop suspension, it go allow the panel to do their work. And if it be say last, the men wey collect suspension are not called people, if it be say their hand clean, they go return to their various offices. Now, for the information of Edo people and the general public, the governor is a no-nonsense leader. He no be respecter of anybody wey dey run foul of the law. He no be person wey be say based say you dey connected to the governor, you go come fit do things, come get away with am. He no dey work at all. He no be man wey be say he go see jaguda business dey happen, he go come look the other side, he go come close him eye, pretend as if he no see am. No be who Senator Monday Okpebholo be. And at the same time, it should be clarified though. People suppose know say he no dey against anybody or any particular senatorial district for inside Edo State. His own business na to clean jaguda comot for Edo State. If e be say you be jaguda, he go clean you comot, nothing personal. So like this now, Emma good people, Mr. Paul dey try to say the new Edo State governor, he na person wey be say he go take action against anybody, even if the culprit na his own brother, whether na his own relative or na political party loyalist, person dey for the same party, APC with am. He go still take action against the person. And Mr. Paul come still dey yarn say if he beat him chest to tell the general public categorically say the governor dey believe in conventional means of resolving issue, not self-help, and he no go allow any wrongdoing to go unpunished. So from the action taken on the suspended government appointees, based on the suspension now we don't touch those men, the governor dey try send a very clear message to all government appointees say they gats be transparent, they gats shun corruption, and they gats be committed to working towards developing the state. Anybody wey no go fit cope should leave office. Anybody wey know say na through mago na him want to dey live, or na through mago na him to dey feed family, you better comot for office, because if the current Edo State governor catch you, your own don finish. That your family wey dey use mago to dey feed, maybe na from inside prison na you go dey feed them. Then the commissioner wey be Mr. Paul come still dey yarn about the last 100 days in office. He come dey talk say the governor he don take some landmark decisions to change the narrative and place Edo State on a new path for socio-economic growth. And according to Mr. Paul, the appointment of a retired commissioner of police to go dey head the Edo security network, e don pave the way for an improved and organized security outfit for inside Edo State, unlike in the past where it was not regulated, unlike in the past where things just dey happen anyhow. Now sounding upbeat, and Mr. Paul constantly informed the general public say the Edo State governor saw the need for Ramat Park flyover to reinvent commerce and boost business activities beyond easing vehicular movement in the area. Now, anyhow this informate be for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit informate wey dey my table like this one need share give the general public. And the koko be say the former Edo State governor wey be Godwin Obaseki in don last come outside come dismiss the 96 billion naira local government fraud allegations wey dem plaster against am and some PDP members. And the person wey plaster the accusation na the current governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress. And now speaking through his advisor, the former Edo State governor Godwin Obaseki come describe the accusations as a desperate attempt to justify the unconstitutional actions of Senator Monday Okpebholo against elected local government officials. And he constantly yarn say they don't touchlight the statements, they don't read the allegations, they don't understand wetin dey sup, but wetin dey shock them pass for inside the statements be say Senator Monday Okpebholo they appear to be completely oblivious of the fact that he no get supervisory responsibility over the local government, and he no go fit set up any investigation of government officials that are elected into office just like him. He no get the right, he no suppose do those kind level. And the 18 local government council chairmen for inside Edo State get a better claim to their democratic office than the Edo State governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, whose election dey stand on a knife edge, with the election petition tribunal now dey prepare to deliver judgment on the 21st September 2024 governorship election, wey men dey believe say dem rig the election well well. And also the statement wey the so-called investigative panel now come go drop against Godwin Obaseki, thing dey also dey show the ignorance of Edo State governor, and that's na an attempt as usual to drag His Excellency Mr. Godwin Obaseki into his own propaganda. And the media advisor to the former Edo State governor Godwin Obaseki constantly yarn say make the current governor of Edo State Senator Monday Okpebholo kindly know say the former governor Godwin Obaseki was never obsessed with control of local government funds during his 8 years in tenure, as the current Edo State governor now don show himself to be in the last 3 months. That is to say, for all the 8 years now wey we say the former governor Godwin Obaseki plaster for inside Edo State, he no get any time wey he put eye for the local government their money. He no even try am for 1 day and a half. But now, in just 3 months, the current governor of Edo State now just dey put eye for local government their money anyhow. And normally those kind levels, e no make sense. This my good people, now the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp sharp. Me dey come your side again to another legit and reality news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.